Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday again. Today is December 21st, 2022, and we're getting close to Christmas. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's really 4 days because it's still in the morning now, so I have 4 more days to prepare. I don't have a lot to do this year, so I shouldn't complain. I have to wrap some gifts, not too many. I have to make 2 kinds of candy like fudge and crack. I'm making that on Saturday, so it'll be nice and fresh. I'm thinking of making a bundt coffee cake. I wasn't asked to bring that, but I like to bring what I can, and I have some sour cream, so I think I will make that cake. I've got a couple of things to finish. I've got one thing that I know I won't finish, but after I've got 2 things to do today. If I can finish those today, I can spend Thursday and Friday working on those things, because Saturday I'm going to cook, clean up the house a bit, although no one's coming. I'm very happy about that. Isn't that a terrible Christmas attitude? I'm happy to see everyone, which I will see at my daughter's house, so this is great. All right, back to the tasks at hand. Thank you all for your comments on my subscription. My achievement of reaching 500 subscribers. I even got some more subscribers this week, so thank you. It's funny that it's coming at Christmas, the time when people receive gifts. So I have all the comments in my yarn bowl to make it appropriate, and we're going to mix them up. It wasn't a lot, there was a few. Alrighty, and here we go. The winner is... Let me make sure they're all mixed up. They're all folded up so I can't read them, Yeah. Okay. I want to make sure I get just one. The winner is... Anvita Sinha, 1770. Okay. I'm going to put your name on the screen here. And what I would like you to do is... contact me at my email address. This is my email address. So, Anvita Sinha, 1770, please contact me so that I can get your mailing address and send you your prize. Okay. Thank you all for participating. I just so appreciate it. Now we get on to today's... I can't believe it. We're almost finished. We're up to 51 today. All right, this was another dishcloth from the Nourish and Nestle website, which I told you last week. It's really a delightful website. And actually, Lynn from Nourish and Nestle reached out to me, and she's the sweetest thing too. She even was checking up on me to see how I did the basket weave. I told her I'd get back to her. And I will today, because I only finished it during the night last night. So today we did the diagonal basket weave washcloth. I don't have a picture of it on this sheet, but there is, if you go to her website, which is www.nourishandnestle.com, and I'll leave that link below, you'll be able to check out all her website. She has tons of things on her website. It's a delight, as she is. So, I did the basket weave washcloth, but as usual, I have a story. I've been having trouble with my hands. It's getting progressively worse. I don't know if it's because I've been trying to hurry and do things, but I'm getting 2 bumps out here that I used to get those bumps there as ganglions, but my husband's telling me it's arthritis, and it's very painful. So I have to stop knitting or crocheting at times. Well, actually, the dishcloth is the dishcloth, but I modified it. Here's the basket weave section, which is very cool. Don't you think that's just a real cool basket weave? But what I ended up doing was I did the basket weave, but it was kind of hard on my hands to do the stitching in the back. So then I did a row of I did a section of stockinette, and then I did a middle of basket weave, and then I did stockinette, and then I did the edge of basket weave, and then she includes a crochet picot edge. I think it's just great. I really like it. I did it in an off-white. and I liked it very much. And I'm going to make one full basket weave as soon as I give my hands a rest for a while. I've been doing everything between cleaning and cooking and, well, machine embroidery, that doesn't really kill me, except for certain positions, like when I'm hooping, that gets me. Sometimes if I just go like this, it hurts, but then sometimes it doesn't hurt at all. So it must be the beginnings of some arthritis issues. I think I'll get arthritis gloves. I think they make them. I think they're just tight things, and I think that would help. And it's too bad because it wasn't that bad when I went to the doctor, so I didn't mention it, but maybe I'll go see somebody about it. So, week 51, done! One more week. Next Wednesday, I'll bring you week 52. End up this year of crocheted and knitted dishcloths. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Dishcloths are great to have on hand. I've already given a lot of them away as gifts. I got a bucket of them, as I showed you previously, and I'm starting to put those together in gifts and with gifts or just gifts. And I actually gave one to my doctor. It's the end of the year and I went to see my doctor, so I took two of my prep, I don't know where they are, 2 dishcloths that were already wrapped with labels, and I took a Ghirardelli chocolate peppermint bark flavor, stuck it in there, and then tied a little knot with a string, like baker's twine bow. And after my report, after my checkup, she said, "Happy holidays." I said, "Happy holidays to you too, doctor, and here, this is for you. Thank you very much." And she goes, "Oh, it's my favorite candy." So that was kind of good. And she was, wasn't a bad visit this time. So I was happy she was, and I hope she was. I know it's awkward to give people gifts. It's awkward to give a doctor a gift, I suppose, but I got a lot of dishcloths that I can distribute. Hey, one more thing I wanted to show you. I saw this on the Stephen West website. I think you can see it on Ravelry. I'll leave a link because I don't remember exactly where I saw it. But it's a free pattern for tiny sweaters. Tiny sweaters to knit for Christmas. You could make them advent packages. You could make them, look at this in the back. They made 5 different colored ones and almost put it together like a wreath. You could put it together like a wreath. I just love these tiny sweaters. Oh, and if you're on that website, I should have printed it out. I didn't, but I think if I find it, I'll put it on. They show you how to take wire and twist it and curl it, and then take the 2 edges and make a circle, and you make this tiny hanger to hang the sweaters, and then you could hang them on a tree. I think I want to do that for next year. Make a bunch of little sweaters and make the hangers, and then just get a small tree so it's not a huge project. Okay, so please contact me in Vita Sinha 1770 so that I can get your package ready and mail it out to you. Thanks all for participating. I won't see you till after the holiday, so have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you before the new year. Yes, I will. See you then. Thanks, and bye.